Hey guys, welcome back! I am back with some more press-ons. Today I'm working with Jofay Fashion, and oh my god, have they got some amazing designs. I've got 3 of them that I'm gonna show you guys today, and I'm going to put one on. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so Jofay Fashion is a cruelty-free and vegan nail company. They reached out to me because they are going to be selling on Amazon. They have an Amazon store that you can check out. And so they reached out to me to kind of get the word out that you can now shop their nail sets on Amazon. And the really unique and cool thing about this is their designs that are on the nails are done with UV gel. So it's not like printed on there, and that means it's gonna last longer. It's gonna be a nice clearer image as well, and so I cannot wait to try these out. Now I have 3 different styles here. I've got this first one that has like some gold leaf on it. It's really pretty. I think it's called Leaf It Be is this one. This one I couldn't find the name of, but it's like, you know, a pop art design, and I think it is so cute, and that's the one I'm gonna wear today. And then there's this one that I'm gonna just pull out of the box so you can see a little bit better, because it's kind of hard to see the design on this one. Whoops, there went all of my supplies. But it's just sort of this like floral design on here. I hope that you can see it clearly. The glare is awful, but it's such a pretty color as well. I love this like peachy coral tone. Now obviously here's what you get in here. You get yourself a cloth to clean your nails with, your little nail file, your cuticle pusher, a nail glue, as well as the sticky tabs. Now I'm gonna use like my own file and stuff just to clean up my nails, because I'm sorry, like they all come with these little nail files, and let's be honest, if you're in a pinch they work great, but if you have the tools to use like a better nail file, just use it. Don't, you know, in a couple videos I've like used the stuff that comes in these kits, but it's not worth it. It's just not worth it to me. So anyways, I do have a code with them, which I will go ahead and put up on screen now to save yourself some coin from these guys, because trust me, like I think they're gonna be a hit. I just have a feeling. I have a feeling. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep my nails, and then I'm gonna come back and get ready for application. So I've got everything picked out that I want to use for my nails. These are all the designs that you get, like the different accents that you get in here. And let me see, how many nails come in a box? I didn't even tell you guys that. 24 pieces. So there's 24 pieces in total. So that's enough to do 2 sets with, obviously, if you're doing both your hands. In my case, I'm only doing 1. But they feel really nice. Another thing is that they're quite thin back at the cuticle. They've got a nice shape to them, and like very thin, very comfortable back on the back of the nail. It feels nice. Like it feels like a nice quality nail, and like the design itself is just so stinking cute. I can't take it. So what I ended up doing was, for just these 3 nails will have a design, and then my pinky and my thumb will not. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these guys away, and then I'm going to clean. Oh my god, they're not gonna all fit in there. I don't know why I did that, but anyways, just to get this out of the way for now, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my fingers off. So these aren't actually like alcohol soaked pads, they're just regular like pads. Like I used to buy these ones, but I find they have a lot of lint, so I don't use those ones anymore for my nails, but I did used to use them. So I'm gonna clean my nails off, and I gotta cut my glue open too, and then I'm gonna put them on, and they're so cute. All right, let's go ahead and start applying. Now, for the instructions, this little card here that comes in the box has the instructions on it. It's so tiny, but I was able to read it. This one just tells you, if you're using the glue, to go ahead and put some in the well of the nail, just inside the nail. So that's what I'm going to do. I got glue on my fingers somehow. Have no idea how I did that. Look at that. Oh my god, guys. I'm a hot mess today. Probably from cutting it off. So I buffed my nails as well as wiped them with Swipe from Young Nails. So I'm just gonna hold this down. Oh no, it didn't stick. I didn't have enough glue. What the heck? Oh honey, no. Alright, so I'm gonna do the way that I usually do it, and what I'll do is I put a little bit on my finger. I kind of just rub that around, and then I go ahead and put some in the nail as well. Oh my god, there's like glue all over the outside of the bottle. Okay. Then I go ahead and I take the nail and I push it back against my cuticle and I push it down like so. And I don't want to get anything on these because they're matte. So I'm just trying to hold them down, you know. Don't mind my thumb. My nail came off and I guess like because it was glue, it just started to like get yucky. So I'll file that off. All right, let's see here. It should be good now. All right. Yes, she is stuck down and she's so cute. I love this. Guys, I've been obsessed. You know, I've been obsessed with the color lavender. So I'm just going to keep gluing these babies down. I think it's on there good. Okay, we're good. Except for my finger that was stuck. All right, let's get to gluing. I usually start with my pinky because that's just the easiest. So this is it, guys. This is the final look and they are so stinking cute and really comfortable to wear. Now that glue, on the other hand, I don't know what was up with that. I ended up getting that all over myself. For the sake of ending this video and not filming till midnight, I will take the glue off my skin later with a little nail polish remover and I will be just fine. But I want to say thank you so much to Jofay Fashion for letting me try out their nails. I definitely want to save these two for like a wedding or something. I felt like this one was just fun to wear right now and have on, and it honestly did not disappoint. They're so stinking cute and the designs are absolutely beautiful. You've got to check out their Amazon store. I'll have the link and everything down in the description box for you to go check out. They have a ton of designs, like a ton. I can't even tell you, like, and they're all so unique and different. Like, it's crazy to me the creativity that these companies like have to come up with all these different designs. They're absolutely beautiful, different lengths, sizes, whatever you name it. I ended up picking the same sort of shape and length for all of these, which I didn't even realize, but I've been really feeling almond apparently. But I just want to say thanks to you guys once again for being here and watching my videos and supporting me. You know, a lot of you still have not subscribed. Like, almost 80% of you guys that watch my videos have not subscribed, so please go ahead and do so before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.